Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Today's another week of weigh-in, and this week went super fast, as they all do, right? But it is getting so close to Halloween and so close to Feliciannurse on the road, which is next weekend. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, it is so exciting. I posted a little video on it the other day, but here's what's happening. I have decided to take this to another level. I have always said I would love to at some point get out on the road and start meeting people that I talk to on the daily, and it's happening. So next weekend, next Sunday, I am driving to Connecticut to meet, I say subscriber, but she has turned into more than that, way more than that over the last couple of years. She's a subscriber. That's how we met initially, but we have developed a really, really good friendship. So we will be meeting next Sunday. I'm gonna take you with me and vlog the whole thing because I don't want to miss out on that. Personally, I want a vlog of that meeting, of that day. We're gonna do like a meet and eat. So we're gonna be meeting and we're gonna eat. So you're gonna get to see the meet part of it, the meeting, and then you're gonna get to see us order a meal together, and we're gonna be meeting at a restaurant. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna have food, and we're gonna talk, and we're gonna have so much fun. So I'll be bringing the cameras along with that to show you. Another thing I wanted to talk to you about before we get into the weigh-in, and I have some notes here. What I want to talk about is Halloween, because that's coming up, and you guys, if you're anything like me, the candy situation is everywhere, and this is the first time in a long time that I'm not tempted. I'm really at a good place, so I look at the candy. I'm gonna buy something I don't like just to play it safe, which I suggest all of you do. And this way I'll have candy to distribute and things like that, but I won't be tempted to eat it. So keep that in mind. If you're looking to have a good Halloween without a weight gain, choose something you don't like. And if you love everything, choose something that's not food related to give out. Kids love little goodies. They love money, like coins. I remember as a kid, if somebody threw in like 25 cents, I was like, oh, we made money. And maybe that's different now. But stickers, pencils, little gadgets. You can go to the Dollar Tree. They sell them in bags. Really not expensive. So that's my suggestion for Halloween. And I'm going to try to move quickly because I have so much that I want to cover. What I have been doing this week, different than any other week on plan, is I have been preparing myself for transition and maintenance. I've been preparing myself to get back into the gym lifting, which I can't wait to do. I'm so excited for that. So I've slowly, and I know this is not supposed to be done until the transition part, but I've slowly started to add a little bit more veggie and a little bit more protein back into my diet. I probably buy like a half a cup of veggies, not even, maybe quarter of a cup. Just, I think if I'm supposed to have, let's just say 150 grams, I bump it up to like 175, so 25 grams. And as far as protein goes, I have been upping it probably about 3 times out of the week by 1 to 2 ounces depending on my day. So I don't know. Do you guys want to know how that affected my weight loss? I bet you do. Ready? Here we go. Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I lost another half a pound, which brings me to 39.2 pounds total loss since April 28th, 2018. This morning, it is October 13th, 2018. So there you have it. My goal of 40 pounds is literally less than a pound away. Wow. What? I still can't believe it. That's crazy. Less than a pound to go. I have 0.8 to reach 40 pounds. So transition maintenance. I have been doing a lot of reading and a lot of discussions on it, and it seems fairly simple. It's the same stuff that I coach my clients that are transitioning. But when it's me doing it, it's like hella different, and I need to talk and I need to figure out what the right way to do it is. Look at my paisley. So I am when I say to you that I've been adding a little bit of more veggie and some more protein into my diet, that's true in preparation. I haven't taken any of the feelings away while doing this. This is just on top of everything. And I'm seeing that I'm still able to lose the weight. So to me, that's a really good sign. So to me, when I do transition, I will probably be ready to add a piece of fruit into my diet, which I'm really looking forward to. Honestly, like I am interested in having a piece of fruit, but it's a little daunting because I know that that's sugar. So it's all going to be an experiment. You're going to be here with me because I'm going to document the whole thing, and that's pretty much it. Tonight Jess has a show, so we will be out and about for that. He also has a meet and greet this afternoon, so we're going to that. I literally just finished editing the Germany video. That took how long? We were away in July. It's like 3 months later. But we had so much footage and so much going on with everything else in between life that I've been slowly doing that in between my regular job, my second job, and my Optavia job. I don't know where I find the time, and that's probably one of the reasons why this week my sleep has been suffering, I guess you could say. I normally get a good 8 hours sleep. I lately have been having such a hard time. I sit down at night maybe to watch a little TV, which is very rare because I don't really watch TV. It's usually like YouTube and doing research and things. I pass right out. Like, I'm not even kidding. As soon as I get on that couch and I pull up a blanket, it's like, good night, Irene. So what happens is like 2 hours later, you know, like I wake up and I'm like, oh, I'm still on the couch, and I get up and I go to bed, and then my eyes are like, poof, I can't sleep. And I'm stupid. I'm on the internet and I'm looking and I'm watching videos and then I'm reading, and it's like by the time I get tired to fall asleep, it's like close to 6 a.m., which is when I have to get up anyway. So this week's been tough. So I'm really surprised that I had a loss. I really am. I wasn't expecting it, but lo and behold, you eat the food and you follow the plan, you're going to lose weight. That's it in a nutshell. And I've mentioned that to several clients this week. You follow the plan as it's written and you will lose weight. You don't need to do crazy hacks. There's a lot of videos with hacks that are great, and I love the people that do them. But honestly, for me, I haven't really done them. People ask me all the time about my lean and greens. Please make a lean and green video. My lean and green is so plain and simple. It's the protein cooked, the veggie cooked, the good fats. That's it. I don't start adding baking powder and tons of cheese and all this other stuff in there. I know that cheese for me is a trigger. I know that because it's dairy, it can upset my stomach, and I really stay away from it on the daily. Every now and then I use the fat-free feta from Trader Joe's, which I love, but I don't go overboard with it. Maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons a week, if that. So that's why I don't do any lean and green videos, really. But people are still asking me what I eat. So that's in the back of my mind that I want to do, and just show you literally, again, what I eat in a week maybe. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know below. If you comment below and I get enough comments, I will do that. A whole week's worth of lean and greens, even though they're not going to be hackable, but it'll give you some ideas of what I'm eating. And yeah, so next weekend is weigh-in. The day after is the meet and eat. Excited. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a great weekend. Stay focused. And if you have any questions, let me know about them. That's it. So I'm going to go take a shower now, get dressed, and get ready for my day. And I hope you do the same. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.